Dozens of foods and products have been recalled this year, from crackers to eggs, and today is no different with yet another huge recall announced.
Today, Team 12's Brandon Hamilton is verifying the process for recalling foods and shares just what goes into it.
More than 145,000 half-gallon cartons of vanilla almond breeze almond milk are being recalled because the product may contain actual dairy milk. The product was shipped to 28 states and Arizona was not on the list. Recently, beef, pork, and poultry salads and wraps possibly contaminated with Cyclospora were recalled from Kroger, Trader Joe's, Walgreens, and Gordon Food Service stores. In July, Ritz crackers, Goldfish, Swiss rolls, and raw turkey were recalled due to the possible presence of salmonella. Before that, Kellogg's Honey Smack cereal and pre-cut melons were also recalled for salmonella. From eggs to romaine lettuce, the recall list is overflowing this year. But what exactly is the process of recalling foods? With guidance from the FDA, we can verify that it is actually rare for the FDA to request a recall. The reason why? Almost all recalls are voluntary by the actual manufacturer. Most companies discover a problem first and then contact the FDA and issue a recall. In other cases, the FDA actually inspects a manufacturing facility and determines the potential for a recall. If a contamination goes unnoticed and causes illness, the FDA receives reports of health problems from agencies like the CDC, and products are then pulled. It is the FDA's main job to make sure all reasonable efforts have been made to remove or correct a product before allowing a product to be re-released. The FDA also makes sure that the contaminated products are destroyed or suitably reconditioned and investigates why the product was defective in the first place. You can always stay up to date at FDA.gov. Brandon Hamilton, 12 News.